What's up, guys? This is Aaron with Express Rally. So we're about to kick off Overland Colorado in Lake City, Colorado at the trailhead to Engineer Pass. So everybody is currently airing down. Once everybody's aired down, we're gonna do a driver's meeting, go over safety guidelines, communications with our Midland radios, and then we're gonna kick it off and we're gonna go do Engineer Pass. We'll also hit Poughkeepsie Gulch and California Pass, and then we'll head our way into Array out to Silverjack Lake Reservoir, where we are going to be camping and fine dining out in the middle of the woods where Animas Fork River meets. It's gonna be a great time. Up on that rock, coming down. There you go. Use that slider. Okay, I'm gonna come around you.
Yeah, never mind. They did it. They did it. They're good. Oh, baby. Yes. You're good.
You're right there. Oh, come on. You're gonna have to go back a little bit.
Dude, it's too much tire.
You got all the meats.
Too much meat on that bitch.
Woo. You go up and over, or you gonna scratch your wheels up? Whatever the Jeep says. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Good. Just gonna swing it out. Woo, Poppy! Damn. That is how it is done. Wheel placement's good. I would probably go just a little bit more faster.
Just like a degree or two right there. Maybe here more. Yep, right there. And then just keep on rolling. You hit it a little bit harder. That's a first timer right there.
We're gonna go ahead and hook up a winch so that he can safely crawl out. So we're not gonna rely solely on the winch. The winch is more of just a safety net to create less tension on the gears and allow the tires to actually do the work.
We are on our way down from the Uray side of Engineers Pass, headed to 550. It's been a fun day. I think everyone's tired. I think everyone's ready to get to camp, but I think it was a good first day. It's not over yet, but I'm looking forward to seeing what that flat top grill has cooked up this evening. And I'm gonna try to not eat 3 plates because I tell myself that every time that I'm not going to, and then I do. So I want you guys to keep me honest on that, all right? My man.
How's it going, brother man? Got some pulled pork.
Yeah.
Obviously, got a little sweet roll, a little Brussels sprout hash, some diced potatoes, carrots.
Yeah. I need you to do something for me.
What's up?
You need to close this thing out. Like day one, all right?
All right.
Here's the caveat. You have 26 seconds because that's all I have left on this camera.
So I'm shooting it both ways?
Well, no, I'm just getting some, auxiliary shit, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
All right, here we go in 5, 4, 3. What's he gonna say? And we're rolling.
All right, so today is a wrap. We wrapped up Engineer Pass with some Poughkeepsie Gulch. We ended at the wall. The wall was a wall. It was unforgiving. I'm getting low power. Nope, it's fine. It's
Say
fine.
see you tomorrow, dude.
See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be epic on Imogen and Ophir Pass.